guys, good day. Today I'm going to show to you 2 ways on how to use Ajinomoto Vetsin or the MSG, the monosodium glutamate, as a plant fertilizer. Okay, first step is we spread it around the soil of our plants. So we need to cut it open. Then we need to spread it on the soil surrounding the plants itself. Like that. This one. Spread it on the soil around the plants. Okay, that's it. Spread it on the soil around the plants. And this one is a bigger pot. I will put a lot of MSG around it. Okay, it's done. Okay, the second way on how to use MSG as a fertilizer to our plant is that we mix it with water. All we need are water, some MSG or Vetsin, a spoon. It's actually a spork. I don't have a spoon around. And a scissor. First, we cut the Vetsin open. And then, this is actually a 1.5 liter of water. We put 2 spoons of MSG. 1. And then 2 spoons of MSG for a 1.5 liter of water. And then we mix it. I'm gonna leave it for about just 5 minutes, and then we'll be back to use it as a water to the plant. I'll be back after 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we can see that all the MSG is totally dissolved. Now we can use the water to water the plants. Okay, we water it lavishly, plenty, because the soil is kinda dry already because of the hot weather. Put around the plant. Around the plant, but not on the plant itself. Just on the soil. MSG is actually rich in glutamic acid, which help enhance plant growth, and it also has phosphorus, which is responsible in helping the plants to be healthy and on its root system. Okay. We make sure that it's properly watered. Put it around the plants, not on the plants itself. All gone, just enough for all the plants I have. So that's two ways on how to use MSG as a fertilizer to our plants. First is we can either spread it on the soil surrounding the plants or mix it with water. I applied it directly on the soil, and the second one, I put water on the soil itself. But we can also use it as a sprinkler to keep our plants hydrated. So if you already made the mixture, you can put some on a sprayer and then use it to spray the leaves and the stems of your plant to keep it hydrated. They are actually office plants. It's here in our office, and I won't be here during Sunday, so I make sure that they are hydrated just enough for the whole day, and I'll be back on Monday. But I water them differently depending on the type of plants. So let's spray some water on the leaves and the stem. Let's now sprinkle some water to the plants. Just a little, because we already put some water with MSG on the soil. And we spray lightly on the leaves this time. This one and this one. Okay, that's it. It's done. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and you find it informative. Now you know how to use MSG as a fertilizer to our plants, which is way cheaper than other available fertilizer in stores. Please hit subscribe or ring the bell for future updates. Thank you for watching.